Hi guys, it's me again, Alman, and welcome back to my channel. And today, magluluto na naman tayo. So the other day, I texted my mom and asked her for her Pinaupong Manok recipe. Nung lumalaki ako, we always had this. Isa to sa mga paborito ko. My friends have tried it at gustong-gusto nila. And I was ready to do something really special. Nagulat ako when I got the message from my mom. Ang simple lang pala, really few ingredients, no? And also, one of the ways of steaming chicken na gustong-gusto ko is the Malaysian, Singaporean, or Chinese style of steamed chicken. And we are going to attempt that also today. Attempt to, hindi susubukan lang natin. I have no experience in any of these. Uunahin natin ang paglilinis ng chicken, syempre. Babanawan natin yung manok. Ingatan natin na wag masyadong tumalsik yung tubig galing sa manok because it's not very clean. Kaya tinakpan ko yung mga plato ko. And then, sabi ng mom ko, we clean it this way. I-rub natin ng rock salt. A very generous amount of rock salt. Just keep rubbing the chicken and then rinse it. Ayan. So we have two whole chickens today and we are going to clean both of them. So our chicken is ready. Ngayon, pwede na nating i-marinate ang ating chicken. Yung mga ingredients for the Pinaupong Manok, sobrang simple lang. Una, kailangan natin ng pepper at maraming asin. The original Pinaupong Manok recipe actually only calls for pepper and salt. Pero napansin ko medyo maputla siya. So we are going to add soy sauce and oyster sauce. Sinabi rin ng mami ko yan. This is optional, nasa sa inyo. At syempre, importante yung lemongrass. Ito yung nagpapabango, nagpapalasa ng manok. Gagamitin natin itong bulb ng lemongrass. Gagamitin tayo ng onion leeks or spring onions. Onions, ginger, at laurel. So una natin gagawin, i-rub natin yung manok ng asin at ng pepper. So just keep rubbing it. Make sure na pasukin din natin yung cavity ng manok. Lagyan din natin yan ng asin at ng pepper. At nakita nyo, medyo maputla, kaya dadagdagan natin ng mixture of soy sauce and oyster sauce para magkakulay siya. So itong lemongrass, buo itong pinapasok. So lalagyan natin ng stuffing yung pinaupong manok. Ito namang scallions or onion leeks na tinatawag. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam yung difference. No? Tatanggalin lang natin yung white part. Gagamitin lang natin itong green part. So ganun din. Pag handa na lahat, ipapasok natin lahat ito sa loob. Medyo mahihirapan tayo. Just stuff it inside. Pilitin nyo lang. Magkakasya rin yan. Tapos, may sobra pa tayo, ipapatong lang natin sa manok. And then we are going to allow this to marinate for about an hour. Okay, ganun lang kasimple yung ating pinaupong manok. Ngayon naman, itry natin yung Chinese steamed chicken. Ang dami kong nakita, no? I spent like 2 hours on YouTube just researching and looking for a recipe that I think looks good. And ito yung pagdesisyonan ko. So similar to our pinaupong manok, gagamit din tayo ng lemongrass at saka ng onion leeks. And then, dadagdagan natin to ng garlic and ginger. So yung garlic and ginger, pupukpukin lang natin para lumabas yung katas nila. So that, all the flavors will be released inside the chicken. Itong lemongrass naman, tatanggalin natin itong dulo. Putulin natin yan. And then we are just going to cut this into 1-inch length. We're just going to use the white part, no? Hindi na natin kailangan ipasok yung buong lemongrass. Ganun din yung onion leeks. Itatabi natin itong puti because we are going to use that later. Ayan. So, ayan. This is the chicken. It's been cleaned and patted dry already. Ipapasok natin lahat yan. And then, dadagdagan natin ng rice wine. Just put a generous amount of rice wine, and I will just let this sit for a few minutes and then steam na natin. So hindi malaki yung pot ko, no? So hindi, tinanggal ko na lang yung steamer basket, pinasok ko na lang yung chicken. Merong mga konting items dyan to lift the plate off of the water, and then we are going to allow this to steam for 30 minutes at babalikan natin mamaya. Alright, habang nagsisteam yung ating Chinese steamed chicken, we are going to prepare the dipping sauce. Itong dipping sauce na to is just very simple. We're just going to use ginger and onion leeks or spring onions. Dahil nga hindi ko alam ang difference ng spring onions at onion leeks at scallions, gagamitin natin parehong spring onions and onion leeks. So first, we are supposed to grate the ginger. Medyo tinatamad ako, so I'm just going to put it in my food processor. This is really just a chopper and grinder. Ang tawag ng Cuisinart dito is a mini food processor. So, pero ito lang yung ginagawa niya. It chops and it grinds. Okay, tingnan natin kung nag-grind na ba lahat. Huwag natin ipasok yung ating daliri dyan sa loob because you might cut yourself and we don't want that. Okay, ito mismo, this is really the consistency that we are looking for, ganyan is, and that's good enough for me. Itabi natin yan, and then we are going to chop our onion leeks and our spring onions. So, ano lang, no, maninipis na hiwa lang. Make sure hindi natin siya ipapasok sa food processor because we also want, you know, some randomness to the size of the cuts. Okay lang yan. Alright, we are going to put all of these into a bowl and then lagyan natin about 1 tablespoon of salt. Tsamba lang yan, hindi ko alam talaga kung gaano karami. And ngayon naman magpapainit tayo ng oil. So some recipes require you to pour the hot oil onto the mixture. Some recipes naman require you to saute the ginger and the spring onions, pero we are going to go halfway. Pag mainit na yung oil, we're gonna turn it off and then ayun, nag-overflow siya. Mag-ingat. So yun, just put it there, mix it. Medyo marami yung oil natin, but I'm sure it's going to be really good. I literally like eat spoonfuls of this. Sinusubo ko to along with the rice and the chicken. So walang problema na sobrang dami natin ginawa. Alright, ngayon naman, we are going to steam our Pinaupong Manok. So we're going to get the big pot and then lalagyan natin ng maraming asin. Yung na my mom said 4 cups of salt. Medyo sabi ko, kailangan ba talagang ganun karami? And then when I was reading the recipe, kailangan it's about 1 inch thick yung salt sa loob, no? And the recipes I saw used banana leaf, but my mom said foil is enough. And I thought, why not? I'll use both techniques. First, I'll put in the foil and then the banana leaf and then yung chicken. So, pinaupong manok na dapat nakaupo siya, pero hindi siya kasya dahil maliit lang yung pot natin. So, pinahigang manok na siya. So, pwede, sa akin, okay lang yan. So, habang nagsisteam yung ating pinaupong manok, pinalamig na natin yung ating Chinese style steamed chicken. So, pag malamig na siya, pupunasan natin ng sesame oil yung chicken para magkaroon din siya ng kulay. We're going to massage it into the chicken. Wow! And papartner natin dito. Mamaya hihiwain natin and we'll see how flavorful it is. Alright, medyo a few minutes have passed since naluto yung ating pinaupong manok. Titingnan natin siya. So habang nagsisteam yun, I went ahead and grated some ginger kasi ito sabi ng mami ko, ito yung recipe niya. I grated some ginger and just added sesame oil, and sabi niya idagdag ko daw yung some of the chicken drippings from the pinaupong manok and also some of the salt. So gagawin natin yan para I'm pretty sure it's going to be very flavorful. It smells so good. I can smell the lemongrass, the banana. Yun, nagkakulay talaga siya, no? So the salt is here, okay? Wala masyadong chicken drippings. Sabi ng mami ko, huwag talaga lalagdagan ng tubig. And I did that. Masunurin akong anak. Wala masyadong chicken drippings, but kukuha tayo dito. I think this is good. Just gonna mix it there. Konti lang. It's rock salt, so it's very salty. This is it, guys. These are my attempts at steamed chicken 2 ways. So we have here the Chinese style steamed chicken at ito yung pinaupong manok with all those stuffings. Pinasok ko pa yung chicken heart. I'm gonna try this. Wow. Okay, this is my chopping board. As you can see, the red buttons are up. Ibig sabihin, this is the side where we chop the meat. Unahin natin itong steamed chicken. Ngayon naman, itong pinaupong manok. Wow. Sobrang lambot niya. Malasa. It's already like 2 p.m. at hindi pa ako kumakain. So, medyo gutom na ako. I can eat all of these. Pero ipapakita ko muna sa inyo. This is it. This is my steamed chicken 2 ways. I'm so proud of this. Meron din ako dalawang klase ng dipping sauce dito. Today, this Saturday, is going to be a feast. So, tara, kain tayo. The flavors, sobrang sarap. Once again, this has been Alman. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope I was able to impart some knowledge. I think it's really not knowledge that I'm imparting, but the confidence for you to try to go outside your comfort zone, you know, because I think if I can do it, so can you. And since we have a lot of time during this community quarantine, sana we try to explore some more as I did and be daring. I dared and I succeeded. Ang yabang ko, no? But it's really good and I'm so proud of what I accomplished today. So once again, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up, or better yet, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of things planned, but definitely I will keep uploading videos that you might find useful or entertaining. So once again, I hope you guys are healthy and eating well during this community quarantine, and see you soon. Bye bye.